Black big car carrier looks for 23 colorful cars. The cars are hiding in many colorful items. Let's go find the cars. Hello, I am a big car carrier. I'm going to look for colorful cars and put the cars on me. Let's go. I just found something right away. It looks like a blue ball with some cars inside. Let's check it out. Oh, it's a police car. Police cars going on me. There are more cars inside. This is a blue tow truck. Tow truck, come on up. It seems this blue ball has many blue cars inside. This is a blue bus. Is there any other car? Oh, this is a blue garbage truck. We collected 4 blue die-cast cars. Oh wow, this is a big tunnel. It's a little creepy, but I'm not afraid. Let's go. Wow, it's snow! This tunnel led to a snowy field. Snow is in the way. Oh no, there's a car in the snow. It's a white ambulance. It's cold outside. Please get on me. It seems there are white cars in the white snow. Wow, I found a white dump truck. This is a bus with black and whitish colors. Don't go into the snow, it's too cold. Good. Last is a white and yellowish tow truck. I've got 4 cars found in the snow. Let's go back to the tunnel. I'm back. Oh, there's a machine here. There's yellow water on the edge of the machine. Maybe I can color cars in this yellow water. Let's use white cars that I found in the snow. I'll use an ambulance first. I'll put the ambulance on the conveyor belt. It fell into the yellow water. A white ambulance became a yellow ambulance. Let's try the white dump truck next. It fell into the yellow water. The white dump truck became a yellow dump truck. I'll try these two cars at once next. Let's do it. Yeah, two cars fell into the yellow water. Yellow bus. Yellow tow truck. They both became yellow cars. All white die-cast cars became yellow die-cast cars. You guys come back to me. Let's find more colorful cars. It looks like it's a construction site. I see many orange cars here. Oh no, what's that? There's a big vehicle. It's a huge road roller. Oh no, don't move forward, there is a car. Ah! The road roller rolled up the orange car. Ah, small wheel loader. You have to run away. Don't go that way. Oh no! He is rolled up too. Hey, you! Stop! Hey! Ah! It seems like the road roller didn't hear his voice. Oh, hey car carrier, how are you? Did you notice that you have just rolled up orange cars? Oh, did I do that? Let me check. Here they are. Orange police car. Orange wheel loader. Orange ambulance. Sorry that I accidentally rolled you guys up. Orange cars go to the bottom room. See you, road roller. Oh, there's something here. It's a vending machine. Wait, the vending machine sells green cars. I'll buy these cars to save them. I'll use a green coin. It's a green mountain rescue vehicle. Come up on me. The next one. It's a green sports car. How about this one? This is a green SUV car. Are there more cars? Oh, there's one more car here. This is a green crawler crane. I've got 4 green cars from the vending machine. This place is a little smoky. Oh no! Cars are on fire! Fire trucks, help them! Yeah, they extinguished the fire. 4 red fire trucks. Come up on me too. Oh, the cars that were burning seemed to be black and gray cars. Black car, gray SUV, black police car, gray police car. You guys go into the last row. Blue, yellow, green, red, black, gray, and orange cars. Yeah, I found 23 colorful cars. Good job.